never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Late o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you. You're not by yourself. Late o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. This is what I want now. And yeah, I'm waiting for something better. Yeah. This is what I want now. No, I won't settle for anything else. I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. Oh no, no. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself.
I hope that you guys did enjoy this get ready with me video. I'm gonna try to incorporate my hair and makeup videos together occasionally from here on out, because a lot of you guys have been saying that you guys want to see more makeup videos from me. So I'm going to try to combine the two and do these like little get ready with me style videos. So you guys can let me know your feedback if you guys like this or want to see more of this here from me here on my channel. I probably will do like chit chat get ready with me in the future, or if you guys just prefer for me to just get ready and have the background music playing, you guys can let me know. You guys can give me like a little bit of feedback if you guys want me to talk about a specific something in my next get ready with me, or just any of them moving forward. I'm always open to you guys' suggestions. Today's hair was sponsored. I had the lovely pleasure of working with a hair company by the name of Ossilee Hair, and this is what their packaging looks like, or this is what the hair came in. There is just a wig cap and a pair of lashes in here, nothing that you guys haven't already seen before. This is a 13x6 straight HD lace wig. Now, what I will be honest about is the lace. I kept a piece just so I can show you guys what the lace looks like. Just from my experience, it's very different from all the other HD lace wigs that I get. I could tell that like right off the bat. So I feel like they should just go ahead and call this transparent lace, because that's what it's pretty much like in my opinion. The lace is just very like, it's very fillable, like it's very hard. It's not that soft lace. I mean, they're saying that it's HD lace, but to me it just doesn't seem like it. This is what the lace looks like though. It wasn't the easiest lace melt for me to do, but I ended up kind of finessing it and making it work as best as I could. I had to do quite a bit of makeup on the lace, both under it and on top of it, just to kind of get it to blend a little bit better with my skin tone, because the lace is so light. As you guys can see, this is super light. It has like a, I don't know, it has like a beige kind of tint to it. And so that's just something to keep in mind if you guys do consider getting this wig from them. Now, it's a straight wig, but it actually curled really nicely. I mean, the curls are dropping, of course, but that's to be expected. And it is 13x6. You guys can see the deep parting space there. And it is also 26 inches. I really like the hair itself. The only thing I'm not too crazy about when it comes to this wig is the lace on it. So yeah, that's the only thing. And then it did also come with a pretty full hairline, so I had to go in and pluck it. But honestly, I was just being lazy and I kind of got tired of plucking it because the hairline is super duper full. So I kind of just did the bare minimum in terms of plucking. So I do hope that you guys enjoyed watching me do my makeup and my hair. If you guys want to see more videos like this, you guys can let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. I know some of you guys wanted to see me do like my little soft pink look that I wear quite often, and the only reason why I didn't do that for this particular makeup look is just because I do have eyelash extensions right now. This is my first time getting them, so I'm kind of like getting used to them. And as far as like how I do my, I guess you could call it a cut crease, I don't want to like mess up the lashes or anything like that, or have a hard time cleaning that off of the lashes. So I will do that in another video when I don't have these on. So this hair, as well as all of the makeup products that I used, will be listed down below. I'm not going to leave links to all the products that I use, but I will list everything that I use, and I will be sure to include my shades. I know a lot of times when I watch people's makeup videos and they don't list like the shades that they use, that kind of like drives me crazy, because then you have to like leave a comment. They're not always guaranteed to get back to you, but you guys already know I don't do you guys like that if you guys ever do have any questions. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.